Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the VLOOKUP in Excel to quickly find data. Let's get started. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and make sure that your data is organized in the table with headers. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear and type equal VLOOKUP and select the value you want to look up, type comma, then select the table range where the Excel should search and type another comma. Now enter the column number that contains the value you want to return and type another comma. And finally, type false for an exact match or true for an approximate match. Then close the bracket. Press enter and Excel will return the corresponding value from your table. And that's it. That's how you use a VLOOKUP in Excel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next tutorial.